In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on More Connections over here. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Printing right under Cast. Select the default print service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip: if you're still struggling to connect, enable print service and wait for 3 dots to appear at the top right corner. Click on them, hit Add Printer, and use this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing. Make sure to select Allow for it to work. Hit Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers and wait for your tablet to find yours. If it also doesn't work, you can tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!